Hello you guys and welcome to my channel and welcome to CraftiQ Challenge Hop Day. I don't know how many people are going to be joining in because I've been a slacker and I've been really bad about posting on the Facebook page, but that will be linked down below, as well as you just saw what the challenge was for this month. I did an exclusive sketch that I created because Christy was doing amazing exclusive sketches for 30 Days of Sketches. I normally would have shared the sketch that would have been released today on day 20, but because they were all exclusive sketches, I didn't know if I should. So I did my own, and I'm hoping to have one of my own sketches in Christy's 30 Days of Sketches in the future, which is super exciting. But I did this live on the Facebook page, so that will be available on there if you want to see in real time and without any editing. And so I edited this down quite a bit because I do a lot of yapping when I'm live. So there's a lot of extra stuff that's happening. So I went ahead and I am playing with an Echo Park collection, trying to use up some kits that I have laying around that are partially used. This was an Echo Park collection from earlier this summer. I think it's something about summer. I can't remember at the top of my head right now. But then, so I ripped 3 of the pattern papers, and then I went ahead and grabbed from my stash these clear stitching stickers from Pretty Little Studio, which I love. And I thought they would be really cool to put on the background instead of any paint or anything in that wispy area of my sketch. So I'm laying those down. And the challenge was to use the sketch, ink edges, include a tag, a pop of yellow, a metal element, and circles. I think that was it. Let me triple check that. So I wanted to bring in some flair, because I knew that would be my circle element, and I'm inking the edges around the entire layout, and I did the torn edges as well. And I'm gonna go ahead, like I said, pick out some flair for my stash. A lot of these are none of them are from Scrap and Happy, I think. Most of them, all of them, are from the Yes Please Paper Crafts shop, which are super cute. I love them. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. Oh yeah, and then the twist for the challenge was to make sure you adhere your metallic item or your metal item with string, and someone else had used metallic string in their layout, and I thought that was perfect. So yeah, use the sketch. Oh yeah, puffy stickers, I forgot. So I do add some green puffy stickers that I have. They're very bright green. They don't really go, but they really bring out some of the green in the pattern paper and stuff. So I add some green puffy stickers, which are also circles. So puffy stickers, circles, pop of yellow, something metal. Oh yeah, clear stickers, and ink the edges. So my clear stickers, tag was not one of them then. My clear stickers were those Pretty Little Studio stickers. And so I spritzed some of this, I believe it was You're the Zest Shimmers spray to have my pop of yellow. And then I wanted to decide to do a tag because that would bring in some string to attach a metal item. And I have a metal, it's like a medallion from Tim Holtz, and it just says Wander. So I tied that to the end of my tag. And so I was splattering, and now I'm just playing with a lot of stickers from the sticker sheet just to add some more around my page. But that is it. I will have some close-ups for you. Make sure you check out everybody else who is playing down below, and also check out the Facebook group if you ever want to do any of the old challenges. They're all up. Just have to look at the kind of the challenge card or the picture that shows you all the different challenges. If you've never tried it before, make sure you check out the Facebook group sometime and you can see what it's all about. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time. Bye.